We are about to go to H Mart right now. We're gonna fry onions and bell pepper. I'm actually gonna do a face mask right now because my sister asked if I wanted to do it last night, but I was like too lazy. I was on my phone for like 2 hours, which I really regret, and I do not advise you guys to do that. Face mask I'm gonna do is this cottony one. I'm not really sure how to say it, but so I don't know if you need like a damp face to use this. Just gonna it's pink, you can't really see it. So today, so we're finally in the weekend. I just forgot I literally have a quiz to submit tomorrow. I have to really clean my room. Like, I don't know if you guys see it, but it is so messy. All of our clothes are just like on the floor. I'll just show you guys. It is not looking good right now. I don't know if I've shown you guys this before, but I used to have like a small dried flower business, and I gave this for my sister's graduation. And Kai, the dog, her dog, literally like ate all of the other flowers, but you can still tell the roses. Look how pretty it still looks, guys. Oh my god, that is disgusting. Oh, my skincare. This is from my best friend, Dojito. It's a squishy. Okay, now the biggest part is my bed. So we're gonna do that first. Yippee. Good boy, Kai. Let's go. He wants to go all the way inside the bush. Okay. So like, it is really sunny day today, and my sister forced me to come out and walk Kai with her. So we are here. The past few days it's been like snowing, no sun, really gloomy. So today I'm happy I came out at least. Oh, there's geese. Oh my god, there are so many. Oh. You wanna go there? I feel like spring is already here. Hi! Kai wants to see the geese so bad. Bell pepper, and then we have paratha here. These are not handmade, but we got them from the Chinese store. Bless you. And then we're just gonna make like two of these each. And then we have kale. It's a little old, like you can see it's like getting yellow. Garlic. Some garlic. Okay, first step, you guys, the banana. I do not know how it's like not rotten inside when it's like black outside, but we needed really soft bananas, so I'm happy we bought them like quite a long time ago. I'm squishing. How much do I squish it? Like all the way? It's done, all mashed up. This is it's good. Can you start mixing? Like, what are you doing? Yeah. Oh, and then it's like frozen, you know? Why is it frozen? I think that's it. Yeah. Huh? Was it? Bye. Okay. Oh my god, let me touch it. Oh wow. Oh, it's not banana bread. Hello guys, it is currently let me show you guys. It is 2:34 a.m. I was just talking to my friend from Canada for like 2 hours, and my sister wanted to play Monopoly. Also, by the way, our banana bread, it turned out so bad. It was a total fail. So we have to like throw that out. It became like really hard, and it was like really gooey inside, and it doesn't taste good. So yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. A few of my sister's friends are coming over. She's gonna make chutpate for them. They really like her chutpate, so they're gonna come at around 4 o'clock. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Hopefully I get enough sleep. I don't want to wake up too late.
Bitch, you were eating the ice cream from my box.
And yeah, good night guys. Good morning guys. I just woke up. It is currently 11:24 and I'm gonna go walk Kai out. If there's no sun out, I get so depressed. Just that much. The last step is blush. This one is from e.l.f. This is my breakfast. Potato pancake and kale. Appreciate it to me. Can you handle it? No, can you hold this? My sister's laundry place here is really scary. Like it's literally, it's like we're in Conjuring. It's like a basement. That is the laundry, and then that's the washer, that's the dryer. We are about to go to H Mart right now. It's like 2-minute walk, as you know, like 5 6-minute walk away. And I need some socks. Skin. Okay. And yes, I will be wearing comfortable Jackson Heights pants. Where are my shoes? I can't. Oh, it's there. Oops. Okay, you guys. We don't have a car, and the Chinese market is like 5 minutes away. And we're like walking here, and then there's like a small entrance right over there. So this is a shortcut to the H Mart here. Oh, sorry, Asian grocery store. And right there we have the Asian market and then Home Depot. I think that's about it around this area. So we have this door open.